My name is Doug Brown. I'm Vice President of Sales and Marketing for Torvan Medical. We are all very aware of the issues you come across in making sure instruments are properly cleaned during the manual cleaning process. You have many obstacles to consider: geometrically complex instruments, instruments that were not properly pre-treated after procedure and are dry when they come down to decontam, and instruments that are covered in one of the worst culprits, bone cement, amongst other things. Well, Torvan is proud to announce that we have the perfect solution for all these issues: the BicarMed Safe Clean Box. The BicarMed Safe Clean Box effectively dislodges blood, tissue, and other contaminants in a totally enclosed system, reducing the risk of cross-contamination. It's time efficient, gives consistent results, and its enhanced safety minimizes the risk of staff handling potentially infectious materials and their spread through splashing and sterilization. The BicarMed utilizes only Safe Clinic, a specially formulated sodium bicarbonate, compressed air, and water, all environmentally friendly cleaning agents, aligning with sustainable practices in healthcare. Are you ready to elevate your cleaning protocols? Discover the difference of BicarMed. You can contact us at sales@torvanmedical.com or visit our website, www.torvanmedical.com. We look forward to hearing from you.